So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company's called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys why I am taking a break from being an Uber driver. I know what you're thinking, Dylan, what do you mean? You're the founder of the Rideshare Hub. How can you take a break from being an Uber driver? Don't you need to be going out and driving every single day to make these tip-top tips for us? These goofs and gaffs and give us the gaffs laughs? I'm sorry guys, this is not a very dramatic video. I'm just wanted to be transparent with you guys. I know a lot of you guys do ask, you know, what apps am I currently up to? What do I think are the best apps to be doing right now? I personally am taking a break from Uber because of this thing. I just personally don't think it's very healthy to be behind a wheel operating a heavy machinery, I guess, with a mask on for hours on end. The thing is, you have to wear a mask during all your rides. And you also have people in your car, you know? So, I know for me, like, so the thing is, I don't fly right now either. I know a lot of people are still going on flights. I know a lot of people are still going on flights, but I don't know, I just don't like wearing a mask for hours and hours and hours at the same time, or for an extended period of time. Why? The main reason is because I have asthma, and I know a lot of people have bad asthma and still wear masks. I'm happy for you, I really am. I'm honestly so happy that you have asthma and you can still wear a mask, because I've been getting those people saying, oh, I have asthma, I wear a mask too. Freaking thank you, congratulations, that's awesome. For me though, okay, now I sound like okay, I don't want to offend you, but I am glad that you're able to wear a mask. I don't know why it is for me, but I can't wear a mask for a long time and I feel like I can't breathe properly, even with these little thin ones. I don't know what it is, but I wear a mask for like 10-20 minutes and I start feeling like I can't breathe properly. I don't know what it is, but if you're a doctor watching this, maybe, I don't know. I've tried wearing cloth masks, I've tried other masks. What was I gonna say? Lost my train of thought. But yeah, I don't know why. Oh yeah, I was gonna say that I had pneumonia when I was younger. I got pneumonia actually really bad. And I think it like permanently damaged my lungs. And even today, like sometimes I'm like, I can't get a good deep breath in, and I've just had bad asthma for like a couple years now, and sometimes it's manageable, and I have like a lot of allergies too. Like I'm allergic to dust mites really bad, cats, dogs, and also gluten. So like, and those also directly affect my asthma. I don't know what it is, but my asthma gets bad. But anyways, that's kind of the update with me. What I am doing though is doing food delivery apps. Why? Because I only have to wear a mask again for like 5 minutes while I'm picking up the food and dropping it off. Sometimes even, you know, less, 30 seconds. When I get an order from Chipotle, you walk right in, the food's ready, you just bail. And honestly, I'm having a lot of fun with it. You guys have seen my videos doing Uber Eats. I personally prefer Uber Eats right now. I've been making like 25 bucks an hour with Uber Eats. I just signed up for Grubhub too. I'm waiting for my card to get in the mail for Grubhub, the pay card. I'm also on Instacart and Postmates, but the two I'm focusing on right now are Uber Eats and Postmates. You guys can go through my recent videos. I've made like almost 5 or 6 vlogs of me doing Uber Eats and Postmates, showing you all my earnings, actually going to the store. I have a filmer usually who follows me around and shows the process, because look, I'm trying to navigate this whole gig life world that we're in. And I personally have decided that I don't feel comfortable driving for Uber right now. I also just don't want people right inside my car. And sure, you know, you can disinfect your car every day, but you know, when you have 20-30 people in and out of your car, like, your car's getting dirty, you know? People are walking around outside. You guys realize that, you know, that's why a lot of people don't wear shoes inside the house. Why? Because you're walking around the outside, the outdoors, where there's bacteria on the ground. There's, you know, there's just gross stuff on the ground. You're walking around your shoes, people get in your car, that stuff is in your car and just, it's flying around, and it's just like, there's no way to, you know, what are you gonna tell everybody? Oh, can you take off your shoes and change into this fresh clothes before you get in my car? No. And take a shower? No. Obviously, that's not possible. But yeah, guys, that's just my update. I've just decided to, you know, drive for the food delivery platforms right now. Obviously, as the founder of the Rideshare Hub, I do want to stick true to you guys and still do the apps. I still don't really feel, you know, comfortable doing food delivery apps, but I'm still doing it because it's a much safer option and better option for me that I feel more comfortable in than driving rideshare. So that's my update, guys. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know if you guys are doing rideshare or food delivery apps. And also check out the links down below for Covert if you want to sign up and get paid time off and sick leave. Use my link down below for Covert and you get your first 30 days for free. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.